Merdeka Square in Kota Kinabalu is a historic site that commemorates Malaysia's independence and national unity. It's a popular spot for locals and visitors to relax and enjoy the city's vibrant atmosphere. The Atkinson Clock Tower, built in 1905, is one of Kota Kinabalu's oldest landmarks. Perched on a hill, it stands as a proud reminder of the city's colonial heritage and resilience. Wisma Intiutama is a well-known commercial building in the heart of Kota Kinabalu. It houses offices, retail outlets, and services, making it a convenient stop for both business and leisure visitors. Held every Sunday, Gaya Market is a lively street bazaar showcasing local crafts, souvenirs, and traditional food. It's the perfect place to experience Kota Kinabalu's culture and community spirit. Signal Hill Tower offers breathtaking panoramic views of Kota Kinabalu's skyline, coastline, and nearby islands. It's a favorite spot for capturing stunning sunrise and sunset photos. The Gurudwara Sahib in Kota Kinabalu serves as a peaceful sanctuary for the Sikh community and visitors alike. Known for its warm hospitality and free meals, it reflects the city's multicultural harmony.